It may no longer be Christmas in July, but it is Happy Mail time from Art East Quilting Company.
Hey crafters! Unboxing? Fabric haul? Real talk? Whatever today's about. You're with John, Guys Craft 2. Let's get into it.
Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I appreciate you dropping in for just a little bit this morning to give me an opportunity to, number one, thank John and Matt from Art East Quilting Company, Art East Quilt Co. They are two amazing guys. If you did not join or did not know that they did Quiltmas this year for Christmas in July, they had a lot of fun. They did a lot of cool things, and I will have their link below in this video if you want to jump over and check them out, because these guys are not only great supporters of the community, of quilting and what they contribute and what they do. John's an amazing pattern maker. Matt is absolutely the foundation behind him, but they also are just overly generous. And part of the Quiltmas in July that they did this year, they gave away different gifts, and I was fortunate enough to win some goodies from John and Matt. And so, number one, a big shout out and thank you to them because they're just amazing. And I really feel bad cutting this packaging tape because Peter Pan has always been kind of a favorite of mine. And I had really debated on what I wanted to do with Art East, because I have not done a project with them and really tried to think about it. So first, yeah, guys, not only do they have the custom shipping tape, but they have the custom um, tissue paper. I mean, just amazing. Just high-end professional guys all the time. And so, without further delay, what did I win? So I actually won the entire kit for Second Star to the Right, Sew Along, the Dawn Quilt Kit. I had looked at this and debated it and ended up not pulling the trigger, which, if you know me, you know that's a little unusual. But I really liked this, but I also just knew I had a couple of other big projects going on and just was like, I can't take one more, right? And so I didn't end up signing up for this. And instead, on day 3 of Quiltmas, I won Second Star to the Right, Sew Along, and I won the Dawn version. This quilt finishes out 75 by 90 inches. If you've watched Danielle and some of the others, there's several creators out there that are in the process of completing this quilt kit. I am way too far behind to worry about trying to even begin to catch up with them, so I probably won't even get to this to next year. But again, a big thank you, big shout out to John and Matt for this incredible gift. But at the same time, they just do things right. You know, people have made fun of Apple for years because one of the things that Steve Jobs did, he was really all about packaging. And that's John and Matt. It's a representation of who they are, the way our boxes come in. Look at the entire collection of fabric here. Oh my gosh, guys. And there's just so much in here, right? So the instruction booklet to tell me exactly how to do it. It's spiral bound, which is even better because now I can fold it back, lay it flat, do what I need to do that. Um, I don't know how to brag and say a lot more about how excited I am about this. I was just absolutely blown away. So I'm not going to take all the fabrics out and show that, but I mean, just look, I would have been happy, right, with just the crocodile. Look how adorable this is. I've got buttons in that going different places. And now I have the croc, right? How adorable is this guy? And I would zoom in, but I'm on a different camera and I'm not able to do that. But trust me, he is absolutely adorable and he will have a nice new home shortly. I got the patch for Second Star from the right that said Art East Quilt Co. And then, because this just wasn't enough, they tossed in, excuse me, a bunch of other goodies as well. And it's like, guys, really? I mean, so they included the labels to help you actually identify as you cut your pieces, put all that together. They put together the quilt labels, so you have those to go out literally and number and do those. Additionally, what else is in here? I got Team Dawn. So I have a button that says I am Team Dawn and will be joining that group as well. I got my sticker for Team Dawn. I got my Christmas in July thank you. It says, what an amazing 6 days. We wanted to send a huge heartfelt thank you for joining us very first Quiltmas in July. Whether you tuned in for the live streams, cheered on the giveaway winners, shopped the exclusive deals, your energy and support made our favorite tradition in the summer heat an absolute blast. We are so grateful to have you as part of our community. Happy stitching. That's just the, again, this is just the way these guys are. And then on top of it, I got the Second from the Star sticker pack, which again, I am so excited about stickers. I don't know what it is about quilters and stickers, but we do seem to really like our stickers. And they've actually put together all the stickers, right? So you've got all the characters, and again, I can't zoom in, so maybe I'll take a picture of. If you haven't seen these, they're definitely worth looking at. But it's all the images, I believe, yeah, off the a lot of the images, right, from the quilt itself. And this says quilts are made of fabric and trust and pixie dust. So anyways, guys, I'm so super excited, so appreciative. I thank you for giving me a few minutes to talk about Art East today and the generosity of them. I did go back out and buy a few patterns from them just because I really would like to be more of that Art East family. The first one I had to grab is Kiss Me, I'm Charming, which is the new Tula Pink, right, to go with her new charm frog line. Again, don't have any idea when John's going to get to that. I do know probably the first pattern I want to work on with them is called Spill Quilt, and it is one of their first patterns, and I do plan to get that one done sooner rather than later. But then I grabbed a few others like Halloweenies, which is their quilt pattern. If you follow the channel, you know I'm a huge Halloween fan, and now I'm starting to fall in love with Dachshunds. I had never seen this pattern from them until Quiltmas, and it's called Blowing Up Bunnies, Rabbits Chewing Bubblegum. I absolutely fell in love with this, and they actually did a coordination with Tula Pink Fabrics, and again, you know, I'm a Tula Pink fan. I actually have all the Tula Pink fabrics to put that together. I did grab Love Stinks as well, and then I had to go back and grab Gone Fishing because my niece is a huge fishing fan. I love cardinals, and so I did grab the Quilting is for the birds. I grabbed that one as well. And then the Dino Rama with the T-Rex on roller skates. And then Bear Wildered quilt pattern. And then finally Tailwags. So I have an entire collection now of Art East patterns. Now I just have to figure out when I can work them into the system and make those things happen. So guys, this is John, Guys Craft 2. I appreciate you giving me the time this morning. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up. If you like the content, like what we're doing, hit that bell. You'll be notified each and every time we go live, and do all those things that make the YouTube algorithm happy. But thanks for giving me a little time this morning. I will be live on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. Arizona time, and I hope to catch you then. Guys, as always, until next time, happy crafting!
Thanks so much for watching, crafters. If you had fun with us today, do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. I read every single one. And hey, tell your friends and your neighbors. Bring your bestie next time too. If you really want to help us grow this amazing community, grab a channel membership. The link is right there in the description. Can't wait to see you at the next show.